What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven, Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. Hope you guys are doing amazing, man. I appreciate all the support that you guys have been giving me in these videos. It means a lot. In this video, I'm gonna be breaking down TVL, right? DeFi, and why TVL determines the success of a project and a blockchain, and why I see Tonic performing so well when we compare it to other top blockchains and their TVL, you know, their total value locked, right? We're gonna dive into that on DeFi Llama. DeFi Llama is a place where you go to where a lot of people, you know, that are expect success from certain blockchains or certain projects. They check out their TVL, how much, you know, liquidity is provided. Whales love liquidity, right? And the more liquidity projects have, it means the more success they have, right? We're gonna dive into that in this video. If this is something that you're interested in, guys, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. So close to 2,000 subscribers. Let's get to 2,000 and then make our way to 3,000. Support content creators. The more you guys support, the more these videos get out to the algorithm, and the more people join the Tonic community, right? Support my Tonic playlist and my Tonic shorts as well. I'll be doing my best to upload every day, giving you guys updates every day as much as I can, because I see so much potential for this project's future. Tonic is down 3.29%, 30,523 people on the watch list for Tonic, $25.26 million in market cap, 261K in 24-hour trade volume. I've said this in my previous video. Right now, the market is correcting. The stock market, unfortunately, opened up green. The S&P 500 is down 1.12%. Bitcoin is taking a bit of a tumble. Take a look at the 1 month and the 7-day. Bitcoin is taking a bit of a tumble, so Tonic is following, you know, as well. Bitcoin is the lead market mover. We are having a red day today. That's fine. After, you know, 200% move, you know, a correction is bound to happen. That's just normal, guys. So that's nothing to, you know, fret about, worry about. This is a time when you dollar cost average in, because now you have a chance to buy red, you know. And like I said, if this is truly the start of the bull cycle, short term, I've seen people saying in the short term we'll see more bullish momentum, especially if the Fed raises 25 basis points in the next FOMC meeting. We will see more bullish momentum. What happens in, you know, later down in the year, will the bears be right and we have that pullback back down to 12K, 13K Bitcoin? It is possible. I won't rule anything out, but you know, if you dollar cost average in, you don't have anything to worry about, because you don't want to miss your opportunity. The bears could be wrong, right? There's the possibility that the bears are wrong. We never go back down to 12, 13K, and we just continue up further from here consistently. Now we're gonna take a look at DeFi Llama, right? This is a Binance Smart Chain that we're looking at, BSC right here, okay? And overall, Binance Smart Chain, you know, biggest blockchain, one of the biggest next to Ethereum, $5.5 billion in TVL. $5.5 billion. PancakeSwap is the DeFi DeFi application for Binance, one of the most successful ones, and it has $2.42 billion in TVL. Let's take a look at PancakeSwap, right, and see what's its market cap at right now. $654 million in market cap for PancakeSwap, right? And at the all-time high, it was at 6.84 billion. This was the past bull cycle. If you take a look at another blockchain, for example, Polygon, right? AAVE is the top DeFi project on Polygon. Polygon's total TVL is $1.33 billion. AV's TVL is $434.19 million in TVL. Let's take a look at AV on coin market cap real quick, guys. AV right now is sitting at $1.13 billion in market cap, and its all-time high by market cap is $8 billion in market cap. Okay, I'm just drawing these references. I don't like to mention other projects, but I'm drawing these references because the Cronos blockchain, which I believe will be one of the top blockchains, it's gonna be Ethereum, Binance, and then Cronos. It's clear as day because they're onboarding so many users. There's so much people that love crypto.com and, you know, the company, what, you know, what they stand for, you know, what they've been doing. It's one of the companies that have very competent people putting in that work for the brand. They have great marketing. You know, they have great ways to reach out to the average retail investor to onboard them into crypto. So it's one of those chains, the Cronos chain, right, which is the crypto.com project itself, Cro. It is basically at its baby phases. Think 3 years out, 4 years out, 5 years out, when crypto itself becomes, you know, the true financial system for the world as we know it, and all the blockchains, the top blockchains and the legitimate blockchains, right, start to get out of their, you know, baby phase, because we're still in the baby phase of crypto. We haven't seen that you know, true form of mass adoption where majority of the population is using these dApps, you know, is using DeFi, using crypto. And crypto.com is one of them. Is one of the brands. Cronos chain is one of the blockchains that is gonna stand the test of time. Right now, Cronos chain is at $526 million in TVL, and the majority of that TVL is from Tonic, $250.63 million in TVL. If we take a look at Tectonic and the other DeFi projects that I've shown you guys, PancakeSwap, Av, those are the top projects, the top DeFi projects with the most TVL on their respective chains, right? And look at where their market caps got to, from 1 billion to 6 billion, right? From 1 billion to 6 billion. Showed you guys with PancakeSwap, right? All-time high market cap, 6.8 billion. Showed you guys with Av, that PancakeSwap, the top DeFi project for Binance Smart Chain. Showed you guys with Av, all-time high market cap, $8 billion, right? The top DeFi application for Polygon, right? Matic. Tectonic, $25 million in market cap. The top DeFi application for Cronos, and Cronos chain is still in its baby phases, right? Imagine when we have more mass adoption that takes place in Cronos chain. When we have more activity, crypto.com starts to onboard more and more people into its ecosystem. More and more people are building on Cronos chain. Cronos chain starts to become one of the top blockchains. The number one DeFi application on Cronos chain will obviously grow. This TVL that we're seeing is going to go back to $3.81 billion in TVL overall for Cronos chain. It's going to make new all-time highs, going to $10 billion, $15 billion in TVL. And Tonic, its TVL will increase, which will mean, you know, the project just continues to grow consistently as time goes by, as Cronos starts to develop and grow as well, and we get out of the baby phases and we get into the, you know, the mass adoption phase, guys. So just wanted to break that down and show you guys. My apologies for, you know, showing you other projects, but I just needed some way to put it into perspective that this is just the start. Super early for, you know, Cronos. It's super early for this blockchain and, you know, this brand as a whole. And when it comes to crypto, the top 3 exchanges for me: Binance, Coinbase, crypto.com. As the space develops, crypto.com is gonna, you know, absolutely explode. Top DeFi projects on crypto.com are going to explode as well. Thank you so much for tuning in, Tonic fam, Crow fam. Really appreciate it. All the support on the videos mean so much. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Tonic and myself is in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.